Mga higala, good morning. Or good day. So, meron na naman po tayong binili dito. Juicy Drop Gummy Dip and Sticks. So, dahil permerong first time na to ito. Permero first time. So, first time natin na bumili nito. At first time din natin na tumikim nito. Hindi kasi lahat, pwedeng tikman anytime.
I want to try that.
So, she wants to try this. So, we'll open this first, okay? I think this was $3.50 if I'm not mistaken. Binili din namin ito sa Five Below. Pumunta ako ng Five Below to buy slime para ni Lois. Pero,
I don't like a candy.
nakita ko to.
I don't like
It says, dip it, chew it. Mommy will try first. 110 calories per serving. But ang tigas.
Let me see, Mommy.
Ooh, look at that.
Wow.
You see that?
Wow.
Wow, what do you think?
It's so cute.
You think it tastes good? We'll see, huh?
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll open this one first because this is where we dip it. We take this out and we dip it here. Okay? Ay! Wala siyang wala siyang yung mahahawakan. Ika lang. Ayuy. You have to dig it. Okay, it's going in. Bakit siya going in? Wala siyang yung nag-overlap na part. Hindi. Wait a second. Let's put this here for now. Hold on. Can Mommy taste it first to make sure it's okay? So you dip it. Double dipping niyo niya.
I want to try too.
Yeah.
I want to try
Sour.
too.
You wanna dip it? Aslom. Maasim. Pero matamis yung sa gitna. Matamis ang gitna nito. I think the dip is sour. Let me try na walang dip. Lois, you have to chew it properly. Okay? Chew it. Okay. I think, teka. Try ko muna without dip. Very sweet. Masarap siya. Matamis siya pag walang dip. Yung lang, yung regular na gummies. Pero ang dip niya, yun yung maasim. We're gonna be double dipping. Maasim yung dip niya. The dip is sour. Chewy sticks and sour gel. Wild berry cherry. And of course, that's just an artificial flavor. About 3 servings per container. Sa ato pa, there are 330 calories here. Or there are 3 servings per container. Sugar, glucose syrup, modified potato starch. Oh, modified. Good for you. Water contains 2% or less of sorbitol. Artificial flavor, gelatin, tartaric acid, malic acid, red 40, allergy information. So, meron siyang coloring. How do you call that? Dye. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So, per serving is 4 sticks. So, sa 4 na sticks, meron siyang 110 calories. ang pangalan niya ay Juicy Drop Gummy Dipping Sticks. Chewy sticks and sour gel. Pareho lang siya, natural gummy lang siya with a sour dip. Kung gusto mo ng sour, pwede mo siyang i-dip dito sa gitna. Kung gusto mo rin siyang, if you just want sweet, you can eat just the sticks. Be careful. Chew it properly, ma'am. Thank you. I love gummy bites. Gummies. Yung sweets niya, pero kung may problema ka sa sugar, don't eat this all the time. Because it's not good for the health. Ay, kailangan siya nakatayo pag i-keep mo. Kasi, ma-spill yung, dip. Dito ako na-intriga nung nakita ko siya, dito ako na-intriga sa dip-dip. Dip-dip. Kaya bumili ako nito. So, ayun. It tastes good. But if you dip it in the dip, it makes it sour. Because the dip is sour. If you like sour, then this is good for you. This is good for you. No, this is good if you like sour. Oh, tingnan mo yung gel niya. Ooh. So, ayun. Thank you for watching. Let's eat. It's sticking to the teeth.
It's taken to the teeth.
Yeah. You have to chew it. So it stuck on your teeth. Thank you. Let's eat.
Thank you. Let's eat.
You want to dip? Not too much, it's sour.